What do you say to your sister?
Thank you. It's beautiful, Gracie. I like them. You just bought these for me, Dad? What? 2 gifts, Mike? Oh, well, I thought that could be cute. Because it was. I love it! Mommy! It's the exact same I gave to Gracie.
Oh, you guys have good taste, don't you? What are you going to name him?
Giraffe.
Giraffe? Well, he's cute. He looks like he has sleepy eyes.
This is just this. I'm gonna do this little guy, Wilbur.
Wilbur? What about the cow?
The cow.
Bessie?